Cardano Reality Holders, how are you? Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm present with another update of Cardano Reality. My friends, in this video, I will show you, my friends, what is the best time to buy, sell, or hold Cardano Reality, my friends. Keep watching this video for more details, and remember, my friends, remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Now, my friends, at this time, the latest price of the Cardano Reality is 1.53 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Cardano in the market. On the other side, you can see here, if you look the price changes of the Cardano Reality, so completely the price of Cardano Reality is going down. The last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 weekend, the whole changes occur in the Cardano Reality is going down. So the price falls down from the previous last 1 month, maybe from the previous last 2 months, 3 months, the price of Cardano Reality is going down. And now at this time, the current situation, you can see here now the price chart of the Cardano, that is the last 1 hour. That is the live update of the Cardano, and the current situation of Cardano is completely going down. So at this time, the Cardano having no idea to take a pump. But my friends, that's not mean that Cardano having no idea to pump, so you decide to sell. No, my friends, if you do this mistake and if you decide to sell Cardano on this price, absolutely you lose your money, my friends. You can see it because as I show you in the start of this video that the last 1 hour, last 1 month price changes of the Cardano is negative. So this means that the price of Cardano is fast down from the previous last 1 month, my friends. So absolutely, if you decide to sell on this price, so the price is currently very low, so absolutely you lose your money in a Cardano. That is why I recommend for everyone to, I think it is the best time to hold, my friends. It is the best time to hold, my friends, because if you hold Cardano, so maybe in the future there is a chance that the price will pump and you will get profit from the Cardano idea. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.